Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Keybank mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a preferred web browser for yourself. Go to the URL box and type in key.com, which is the official URL for Keybank. Now you will soon end up in the official website for Keybank, from where you will need to first log into your online banking account to get access to your mortgage. Click on Sign on the right hand corner of the screen under Online Banking. You will now end up in the login page. In the login page, you will need to provide your information. Type in your user ID associated with your Keybank account and then enter your account's password on the next field. If you don't remember your credentials, you can get help by clicking on Problem Signing On. Follow through the instructions till the end to look for your credentials. After filling in your user ID and your password, click Sign On and you will then be able to log in to your Keybank online banking account. Once you're signed in, now you can easily manage your mortgage account by heading over to Mortgage tab. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.